How to remove background from the video in CapCut. So it is very simple. First of all, we will import the video. Okay, so if you want, you can actually click on this new project here and you can import the video from here, and you can actually select from your templates. So we will select from this one. And so how we can actually remove the background from the video. So we will select the clip here, and if we scroll down, we will see this option here, which is cut out. If we click on this one we will see three different options, and the first one is remove background. So we will click on this one, remove background. And as you can see that now the background of our video is removing. As you can see from here, like it's loading the percentage, so we have to actually like wait for it to complete. And you can say that this is a very simple process in CapCut. So it's almost done, and now as you can see that the background has been removed from our video. So that's how you can actually remove the background from the video in CapCut. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.